Hello, intentional twins and teenagers. These book collections are for you. They help you grow up spiritually. They help you also develop academic excellence. They help you to choose the right career path. This book will help you overcome all forms of fears that may hinder you from fulfilling your maximum destiny. It will help you to set smart goals for you, for your purpose, for your vision, and help you to fulfill the purpose for which you live. This book will also give to you exposure to the spirit of wisdom to navigate life, wisdom to make choices, wisdom to be the head and not the tail. It would also help you to be able to set vision board for your life, for your purpose. It will expose you to life after school and help you to be able to make concise decisions concerning the life after school. There are battles that go on in your mind. This battlefield of the mind will expose you to them and help you navigate through these battles and come out victorious. This is a novel about Susan Boy, and it's an African novel that you will learn great lessons from. And masturbation is one thing you also want to overcome. This is one thing that is common to all twins and teenagers. You need to overcome masturbation, and this will help you. You and your career is also very important to know your personality type and the kind of career path to choose that will help you to exploit and become fulfilled in life. Keys to biblical success would expose you to all the necessary keys you need to have biblical success and help you to read your Bible with so much interest. Steps to academic excellence will help you know how to take step by steps to achieving excellence academically. I'm rooting for you. Join us, get these books, send us a DM, and belong to the club of intentional teenagers and twins navigating and fulfilling their destiny. These books are must have, you must get as you grow up.